Hi, I'm Rachel, and this video is going to show how to do front wrap cross carry with a stretchy wrap or a water wrap. This is a Wrapsody water wrap. It works well as both a water wrap and a stretchy wrap. And the carry I'm going to show is front wrap cross carry, which works really well, especially if your baby is going to want to nurse a lot while you're in the pool or in the water. So I'm going to take the center marker, I'm going to put it at the center of my chest. I'm going to hold one hand in front, and then I'm going to reach behind me and take the tail across my back and then up and over my shoulder. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Take the tail across my back and up and over the opposite shoulder. Now I have a horizontal part here that I'm going to bunch up and two tails here. So I'm going to get this horizontal part nice and snug. It's a pretty good bit snug. And at this point I'm going to pick up my baby and I'm going to wrap the rest of the carry around her. How gorgeous. Thanks, Manny girl. This is Ellie, and she's 2 months old. So I'm going to lift her up as if I'm going to birth her. Then I'm going to take my hand through the horizontal part and guide both of her little legs through. Like that. And then I'm going to settle her down so she's seated on that little bit of fabric that I just bunched under her. And I'm going to check her position. I want her knees, sorry love, I want her knees to be higher than her bottom, so I'm going to push up on her little feet just a tad. Here we go. And now I'm going to take the top edge of the wrap and I'm going to bring it all the way up to the nape of her neck, over her arms. A baby could be arms out in this. If they're older and they want their arms out, that's fine. She's only 2 months, so she usually wants hers in. I'm going to take all the extra wrap from there, reaching under us, take that up in between us, up to the top of her diaper to make a nice deep seat for her. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to tighten up. So I'm going to take one tail and just tighten, hold. Other tail, I'm going to take it and tighten and hold. Then I'm going to tighten each part. There's a little bit of looseness in the top edge here. The top edge on this side corresponds to the side closest to your neck over here. So I'm going to lift up on her with one hand and pull that out. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to bring any slack that's caught behind my armpit around. Lift up on her with one hand and then pull that little bit tight. Okay. So now I'm going to make two cross passes going over. I'm going to take one and just pin it in my knees. Bring this one across her back from one knee all the way to the other knee and then under that little leg. And behind me I'm just going to pin that in between my knees. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Go all the way across her whole body from the crook of this knee to the crook of that knee. And then behind me, I can tie a nice double knot. Okay. So now you can check your baby's position. She should have knees higher than bottom. You should be able to get 2 fingers under her chin. She should be totally visible to you. If she's not, she tucks her head under the fabric. You can take the top edge, pull it away from your neck to cap the shoulder. You can do that on both sides if you like, or you could just do it on one. If she wants to sleep, you can tuck her head just to the crook of the ear, but you always want to be able to get 2 fingers under that chin, still see her the whole time. She should be high enough that you can easily kiss her. And if you choose to nurse in this carry, it's very easy to do. You're going to take your knot and loosen it. And then around the front, you can take these cross passes and loosen them. See how as I'm loosening them, she's starting to lower? I'm going to bunch them for a minute and just lower her where I want her to nurse. Slide her to whichever side we want her to nurse on. Then I'm going to spread these back out because they shouldn't be left bunched if you don't have a hand on your baby. Because this is a wrap that stretches, and with stretchy wraps you want to do 3 fully spread layers of wrap. Okay, but now I have her at a height that I can easily nurse. I can reach in under the cross pass and help her latch on. So if you're nursing your baby in front wrap cross carry in a water wrap or a stretchy wrap, you don't want to ever cover your baby's entire head with fabric. So you notice she's nursing right now. It's actually pretty discreet because her head covers. If you want extra coverage, you could give them a big hat, like a big sun hat. That works really well for nursing coverage. When your baby's finished nursing, what you want to do is bring them back to center. Lean forward a little bit to lift them up to the height that you want them. I'm going to take my 2 passes bunched again so that I can tighten them up a little bit easier. I'm going to take this side and pull, feed that slack around. Do the same on the other side. Lift and pull, feed that slack around. And then I'm going to go back to my knot and retie it. That way I've got her nice and high. And once I have it retied in a nice double knot, hey sweetie, hey sweetie, I want to spread these passes right back out right away. So she should have 3 fully spread passes over her. I'm going to spread it all the way from the crook of this knee to the crook of that knee. And same thing on the other side. From the crook of this knee to the crook of that knee and all the way up her back.